How to add January dump sticker on Instagram story. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open up Instagram on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to tap on the search icon. Here you want to search for Moon Soul and select Moon Soul design. Now tap on their story. Here you will find different templates for January dump. This one is the first one. Tap and you will find the second one as well. Now select whichever January dump template that you want. Then tap on the add yours option. Now you want to add pictures from your gallery. After that is done, you can change the position in this way as well if you want to edit that. After that is done, tap on this tick mark option. Now tap on the your story option, and in this way you can add the January dump sticker on Instagram story. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.